Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to log in our account in Microsoft Teams website, and after that, as you can see on the left side, there's a lot of options here. Just go to the calendar. Okay, so after that guys, you need to go to the top right corner, and you will see the new meeting. Click that one, and you just have to fill up the whatever you wanted to put in this blank space. Okay, just put some data here, a title, an email, whatever you wanted to put in here guys. Also the date, what day that you wanted to set the meeting and what time. Okay, and after that guys, you can also add a location here, and also what to expect in the meeting, like it's up to you guys. So after you filling these blank spaces guys, you can click this save. After that guys, okay, and you can copy this link guys and send it to someone or to your team, so that they will know when will be the meeting with. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.